ito pala yung ating outfit, guys. Oh my God, yung aking brow. Lumalabas talaga siya yan. Sexy. Buti na lang, okay naman si Afam sa mga outfitan kung ganyan. Wala siyang sinasabi sa akin, which is good. Kasi ayaw ko nang pinagsasabihan ako. Tapos, bibili ako ng madaming chicken nuggets kay Alexander kasi I really tried na meron din kaming grocery tomorrow. Kaso nga lang, I need to keep it just para sure lang talaga ako kasi nga school na siya tapos work na si Afam kaya yan. Okay. Para sure na may food si Alexander, yun lang yung kailangan siguraduhin ko. Yan. Hello, how are you? Heavy. Are you doing good?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
They have black dress and olive dress. 13 pounds. And this is 7 pounds. Yeah. Go to the bus station. Look at Alexander nakikipaglaro sa cat. Gusto ng cat talaga to. Hello. Oh, he's so relaxed.
Yeah.
What's his name?
I just saw him standing here.
Oh, yeah?
And he was watching me.
Oh.
But I was talking to you.
He's very friendly.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, look, there's a name. You can read. I think his name is there.
Oh, yeah, they said, hi, open. I saw Dana cat last time. I saw Dana cat last time.
Yeah. Mahilig talaga to sa Alexander sa cat. Alexander, don't give rock. It's not a toy. Come here now. Come back. Alexander, come back. Hmm. Why you love cats so much?
That he went away with it.
Yeah. How you clean, Alexander? That is how he clean. Next, how you clean properly. Are you excited to go to school? Okay. They're going to school with pizza?
I want it. So Daddy, yes.
Okay.
Choose the door.
What is that?
Choose the door.
Okay. Look at this. Meron silang, ano to, best before. Ready to drink na siya. Drink and eat. Fresh coconut, easy to open. Kaya bibili ako. Tapos, of course, with my mango. You should try this. It's a coconut. Yeah, and then you can drink it. It's organic.
Mommy,
Yeah, it's so good.
Mommy, that's sweet on the day.
Yeah. No. No, when we arrive home. Yeah, you have to open it. Yeah, so we are here. Ito pala yung aking outfit today. Oh my goodness. Yung aking bra. Bibili pala ako ng juice. Mag-film sana ako. Kaso nga lang, kasama ko si Afam. Tapos pagkasama kasi siya, hindi tayo makapag film kasi nga siya. Nabuboard. Yeah, let's see. They have something here. Bigyan tayo ng... Let's see. Here. Bibili ako ng kay Alexander yogurt. Oh, Yakult. Parang sa dito maliit na yun.
Yeah.
But why it's like damaged? I mean, I think it's okay, yeah? I think I order like this also. I don't ano kasi siya guys, parang may 29 kasi na okay naman yung packaging niya lang. Look at Actimel. Yeah, parang sira-sira kasi. Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, but it's like a little dirty, you know. We'll just buy tomorrow, okay? Okay? Okay. Okay, so just chicken. Butter maybe. Butter, yeah. And juice. Maybe here you got Alexander. Yeah, I know.
Plastic so.
Look at that. 75 only. Yeah, but not so much. The one. Okay.
I'm sewing Daddy. Don't sit you at the bed. I'm sewing him. Let's say that. Yeah, there's the other boy. It's in the whole place.
Oh.
Okay. So chicken nuggets. Face cloth. 50. Oh, face cloth. 50 pence. Ito pala yung ating outfit, guys. Oh my God, yung aking brow. Lumalabas talaga siya yan. Sexy. Buti na lang, okay naman si Afam sa mga outfitan kung ganyan. Wala siyang sinasabi sa akin, which is good. Kasi ayaw ko nang pinagsasabihan ako. Tapos bibili ako ng madaming chicken nuggets kay Alexander kasi I really tried na meron din kaming grocery tomorrow. Kaso nga lang, I need to keep it just para sure lang talaga ako kasi nga school na siya tapos work na si Afam kaya yan. Okay. Para sure na may food si Alexander, yun lang yung kailangan siguraduhin ko. Yan. Alexander, how are you? Heavy. Are you doing good?
Yeah.
You sure? Yeah. So, tapos na kami mag-groceries. We are here. Alexander. Hello. Yan. This is Alexander. Magtingin-tingin sa palibot. Ito na kami sa sasakyan. Tapos, it's so funny guys. Kasi nga, magpe-pay na sana ako. Kaso nga lang, yung kanina kasi, nagpaano kami ng diesel. So, kalimutan ko yung card. Nilagay ko siya sa sasakyan. May ano doon, may lalagayan. So nilagay ko doon tapos hindi ko dinala. Meron ako mga card dito pero ayaw ko kasing gamitin. So, yun. Si Apam na lang yung nagbayad. Puti na lang. Oh God. Oh my goodness. So bad. Okay. Gutom guys, gutom. 1 hour lang kaming nasa labas pero tingnan nyo, kumain na. Yan, kumain. Tapos wait lang. Lagay ko lang. Go inside na yun. Tapos eto, may bin naman kami dito. Yan. Okay, go inside. Here, from this side. So, pag lumalabas kami, always may bin sa sasakyan para naman malinis yung sasakyan kasi ayaw ko talaga yung maduming sasakyan.
No, listen.
I'm talking too much.
No, I'm talking too much. Mommy?
Yeah?